Thursday, May the 16th, 2024. We've just entered Gaysville town limit, and I guess you would call this East Alabama. And we just missed that little dirt road that takes us down to that creek. It looks like it's good enough. We're in Vicky's car right now. I don't want to tear nothing up, but I think we'll turn around and see if it's good enough to get us down to that creek, river, or whatever that is. We're going to take it slow and easy because this vehicle does not have a whole lot of ground clearance. It was the Chattooga River. It looks like it's high and stained. A couple of trucks down here already, probably people fishing, be my guess. Yeah, this is a boat ramp. I think we'll just turn around. We'll turn it off and we'll go up. We'll turn it back on when as we go through Gaysville. There we go. And this is Alabama Highway 35. No, it's not either. I thought it was. It's Alabama Highway 68. No, we're junctioning 68. Alabama 68. This is Alabama 35. Alabama trying to fool Ricky. They ought to know they can't fool Ricky by now. Somerville, Georgia to the right, Cedar something to the left, and Fort Payne straight ahead. Central Tribal Council, Cherokee Center and Trading Post. Buy, sell, and trade. This video, but we don't have it on May the 16th, 2024. We will here before long though. On a cicada hunt. We've already found some. I'm trying to find a high concentration of them. We'll see if we can find one that speaks a little English, and maybe we can talk to him a little bit. Find out what their intentions are. How long they're going to be here. I think Vicky said she wanted to eat one, but I'm not sure. You said something about them tasting like chicken. Sure is pretty out through there. Over here in Alabama. It hurts to say that, you know? Vicky's over here holding her nose. Seen these things flying around down in Rome, a bunch of them on the ground. Let's turn it off. We'll get a little bit closer to Little River Canyon National Refuge. We're starting up the grade. We'll be going by Little River Canyon National Refuge. We'll stop. We've got a truck behind us. We need to pull over and let him by. Somebody running down the road with an outhouse. Let's pull over right here and let him get by. Get on up the road, speed racer. We still have a lot of video from the weekend to get up. I don't know when we'll get this up. If we get it up first or later. We got video crossing this river in the Jeep up in the wildlife management area. Also got video of me slipping and falling in this river, almost couldn't get back up. It was so slick, I wasn't hurt. The rocks were so slick under the water. River Canyon National Preserve. I do not have my lifetime senior pass with us either. Now that right down there, we're going to come back to there. That's what they call a blue hole here, a swimming hole right there. We'll come back to that. Go up here to the visitor center, check the bathrooms out, turn left in there, you go up to parking, and they've got some outhouses up there. And then there is a path that goes down to the river here on the left, and where the falls are down there. A lot of folks for a Thursday afternoon. DeKalb County, Alabama. Little River Canyon Center. They may not charge here. I don't remember whether they do or not. School buses up here. That's why there's all that crowd of folks. Okay. I guess these national preserves are run by the Department of the Interior. Is that correct, folks? 30-minute parking only. Okay, let's turn this off. I don't have my water shoes. This is Little River Canyon National Refuge. We have video crossing the river in the white Jeep. Up there, maybe, I don't know, maybe a mile. Also, up there has slipped and fell, and the rocks were so slick, couldn't hardly get out. These hard rock bottom rivers and creeks, these rocks are a lot of times so slick, you can't walk on them. They are just really slick. The water's not deep right here, and I don't have my water shoes. I want to try to get camera in the water. Some little fish. Let's see if I can get this one down in that. Not doing very good, are we? This is the Insta 360 ×3 camera. We're going to take a short selfie stick. I haven't learned how to use this camera very well at all, and or the software editing it. People swimming downstream. We'll go up here a little bit further and see. There's a little bit better stream access. Again, Mountain Laurel. We ran across some Mother's Day, Sunday, in a couple of different places. Yeah, it looks like it's not getting any better for us. We might be able to get it in here. Yeah, we can get it in here a little deeper, I think. Okay, let's turn it off for right now.